You know what, guys? I'm not a great fan of Black & Decker. My missus brought me this drill a couple of years back, and I gotta say, it actually works pretty bloody good. I've sort of had mixed results with Black & Decker, go back 10 years or so, and their battery drills and stuff were sort of, yeah, but I think they've improved their bloody game over the last couple of years. So I was having a few quiet ones the other day, going through my phone, and I was surprised to see I got a bloody email from Amazon telling me all about their cheapest bloody Black & Decker angle grinder. $28. Now you know me, guys, I'm not one for cheap shit, but I just can't resist buying this, guys. So I said to myself, Pete, you've got to get one of those. So what do you get in the way of an angle grinder for $28? Well, let's have a look and see. I mean, how bad could it be, guys? This thing's got a 2-year warranty. Crazy. Oh, got a handle. Here he is. Here's the beast. $28. Woohoo! Do I even use one of these? Now, I gotta say, guys, I'm a bit disappointed so far. We didn't even get an angle grinder disc with it. Now, that's alright for someone like me, because I've got them all over the friggin' workshop. But if you're just buying one of these things to trim your toenails or something like that, you're not gonna have a disc lying around, so I think that's pretty poor. So let's stick it together, my friends. I've got a guide here, which will go on there somewhere like that. Yep, just like so. Screwdriver. So some of the stuff even comes with a bloody screwdriver to do it up, but not this thing. Put them in there like so. I'm so excited. I love getting new toys, tools, don't you guys? And for $28, it's got to be good, right? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Got me a handle that can go on this side. Or if you really want it to, it can go on this side. This is supposed to be soft start as well. Yeah, I hope you're not detecting a hint of sarcasm in my voice. Quality tools. Normally, when you buy this cheap shit, stuff, you get a cord that's about that long. But this one here, whoo, looks like we've got a 2-meter cord, and apparently it's soft start. Now I'm gonna have to go and find a bloody disc. Found me a disc. This is gonna be awesome. In my imagination, put in the comments below, are these tools getting cheaper and bloody cheaper all the time? Soft start, they reckon? Was that soft start or what? Let's try it again. Sort of. Let's try the sucker out. Rightio! 700 or 800 watt, whatever it is, let's give it a crack, Nigel. So far, so good. Well, I gotta say, guys, I started this video as a bit of a joke, but as you can see, it actually does grind shit. What do you reckon we try a little bloody experiment? See the disc on here, that's a grinding disc, right? So obviously you're not supposed to cut with it. This here is a cutting disc. Can you see the difference? See, the grinding disc is a lot wider than the cutting disc, and it also puts a lot less force on your machine, so you're not supposed to cut with this. So I thought to myself, I wonder if we can blow this thing up. So if we measure this crowbar, we are almost at 1 inch thick. My digital shit itself, but you can see here it's almost at 1 inch thick. What do you think's gonna happen? Check out how deep this cut is, guys, how wide it is. Look at that. You're not supposed to do that, but it's still cutting, guys. Let's finish it off. Yeah. What do you reckon? I'm quite impressed with that, guys. Freaking hot though, mate. Woo! Woohoo! Let's see how it does with the proper disc. Can you see the difference in the width of the cut here, guys? Hee-hee! So my friends, what started out as a bit of a joke video about the stupid grinder, I'm actually quite impressed. I'm impressed that it cut through 1 inch thick steel with a bloody grinding disc on it. It's not designed to do that. But don't tell anyone I did that, guys. It's a bit dangerous. Anyway, guys, if you fancy buying one of these things, I'll put a link in the description below. I think about $28. So, you know, 28 bucks if you're just using something like this around home. I mean, it's not going to compete with the big 12-inch grinders. I've got a big DeWalt 12-inch grinder. I've got a whole lot of other grinders as well. But I mean, for $28, come on, guys. Same as usual, my friends. If you like my videos, remember to subscribe. If you really hate them, subscribe as well, and you can tell me in the comments. And we'll see you next time, mate. If you're still watching me, you might want to get your tools featured on my channel. It's real easy. Just contact me at pete@petestools.com. And if you feel like buying Pete some giggle juice, check the link in the description below. And maybe I'll mention you on my next video. See you next time.